Hello, in this video I want to show you how to establish a Wi-Fi connection on EMPORIA Smart 4. So in order to do this, we'll need to click on this gear icon in the top middle of our screen. From here, make sure that your Wi-Fi is enabled like this, so it's on. Click on your Wi-Fi. Now wait for a few seconds until all Wi-Fi networks are visible. Select the network you want to connect to, enter the password if it's protected by one. Just make sure that you have access to it. Click connect. And as you can see, we've just connected to the Wi-Fi network. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.